Welcome back, guys. In this video, we are going to check out some gadgets that will leave your home spotless. From gadgets that keep your floors squeaky clean to gadgets that keep your home free of germs, these are the best cleaning gadgets on Amazon to keep your home spotless. And like always, links to these gadgets will be in the description below. This is a dish brush with a built-in soap dispenser that makes cleaning dishes easier. You can release soap with a press of a button, saving on detergent and making the process more efficient. The nylon bristles are tough on stains but gentle enough to avoid scratching surfaces. It even comes with a scraper on the back for handling tougher spots on dishes or sinks. When you're done, you can hang it up using the loop for easy storage. This is an electric spin scrubber that helps you clean various surfaces like tiles, windows, bathtubs, toilets, and kitchen sinks with ease. It's cordless, rechargeable, and portable, making it convenient for cleaning hard-to-reach spots. With motorized rotating brushes, it saves time and effort while tackling tough dirt and grime. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during use, making it suitable for those with mobility issues or anyone looking for an easy-to-handle cleaning tool. This is a cleaning tool storage rack designed to keep your cleaning area organized and efficient. It features versatile storage options, accommodating various cleaning tools with 12 small hooks for extra smaller items. The rack has 4 silent wheels with brakes for easy mobility, reducing strain when moving heavy tools. A built-in water collection tank prevents moisture from dripping onto the floor, keeping your space clean and dry. This is a cleaning gel that offers a simple and effective way to clean various surfaces, such as PC and laptop keyboards, car vents, and other rugged areas. Made from natural gel, it's safe to use, non-sticky, and has a pleasant lemon fragrance. To use, just knead the gel into a ball, press it into the surface, and pull it out to carry away dust. It's reusable until it turns dark or becomes sticky, after which you can replace it. This is a dish soap dispenser that simplifies the dishwashing process with its 2-in-1 design, featuring a sponge tray that also acts as a calibrated soap dispenser. It holds up to 8.5 fluid ounces of your preferred dish soap, so you won't need to refill it frequently. The leak-free design prevents spills and trails, while the removable top layer makes it easy to drain excess water. This is a squeegee that makes cleaning surfaces effortless and streak-free. The ergonomic design and flexible silicone blade remove soap scum, water drops, and lime scale without leaving streaks behind. It's great for cleaning windows, shower doors, mirrors, and more, delivering fast, streak-free results with minimal effort. A flat mop and bucket system that separates wet and dry cleaning for a more efficient mop washing experience. The built-in wash squeegee cleans hair and debris from the mop while maintaining the right moisture level for optimal floor cleaning. The flat mop head is great for corners and tight spaces, ensuring no area is left untouched. This is a bed vacuum cleaner that provides efficient cleaning. It features smart dust recognition technology, which gives you a precise dust index and cleaning status. The UV lights and ultrasonic waves work to eliminate germs and bacteria, offering 99% protection for your family's health. The vacuum also reaches a temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit in just 5 seconds. Helping to further sanitize your mattress. This is a window cleaner robot designed to make cleaning your windows hassle-free. It features smart suction that adjusts based on how dirty the surface is, ensuring a secure grip and preventing scratches. With a dual spray system and an 80-milliliter water tank, it provides effective wet wiping for a thorough clean. The robot uses advanced AI navigation to determine the best cleaning path and can also tackle tough spots. Operation is simple. Just press a button and it even gives voice prompts for added convenience. This is a turntable organizer that helps keep your essentials within easy reach. Its sturdy wooden base and steel ball bearings allow for smooth 360-degree rotation, making it great for spices, condiments, or pantry items. The large surface and metal rack hold heavy objects securely, while anti-slip pads add stability and protect your surfaces.